Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here with a quick video to show you the email features of Sendeo so that you can see just how powerful this platform truly is to allow you to profit more with your list marketing and specifically email marketing in this video. So let me go ahead and show you just how quick it is to get up and running with Sendeo as well, which is one of the coolest things out there is that you can come in here and truly get your list in here and up and running and an email sent within a matter of minutes. And we'll show you how exactly that works. All you got to do is come here and click add list. All right, you just give your list a name. You can give it a description if you'd like to as well. And then we have three ways that you can actually connect your list to be able to start sending. So we have our SMTP account. So if you do have your own server, you could come in here and connect it to Sendeo, and under our tutorials option, we do cover exactly how that works and we walk you through the entire process, since it can get a little bit technical, but we break it down in a simple way so that anyone can connect to their own personal SMTP account. We also have the ability for you to connect to a third-party SMTP account, and we are integrated with all of the top ones out there: SES, Mailgun, Mailjet, all of the top ones we are integrated with, and we did just add SparkPost as well. And then we have our built-in SMTP, but that is by private invitation only, and we rarely open that up. But I'm going to go ahead and select our server, and then down here we do have a very powerful feature that allows you to keep your list clean, which allows you to automatically remove inactive subscribers. This first option removes subscribers who are inactive in a specific amount of months. Okay, this option here allows you to set how many emails these subscribers do not open before they are considered inactive. So if they don't open 30 of your emails in a row, then the system will consider them inactive. And then this one here allows you to consider someone inactive if they don't click on any emails. So obviously you want people that are not only opening your emails, but that are also clicking on your email, so that you are actually making money. Because if people are not clicking on the links inside of your emails, there's a good chance you're not making money. Okay, so we have three options there for you to ensure that you have the highest quality of subscribers on your list at all times. And then one thing that we built into here as well is the ability for you to move these subscribers who are not opening, who are not clicking, who are not engaging, to a separate list for re-engagement. So you can consider those people your lower quality subscribers, move them to a separate list and start re-engaging them, or maybe send them more content emails versus promotional emails. Or you can just use them as something that you do solo ads with, or whatever it may be. You just do something completely different than your higher quality subscribers. Or you can just automatically delete those subscribers as well. Okay, and then here's where you can just simply copy paste your emails that you're moving over. That's it, no issues, no nothing. You just copy paste, boom, and you're good to go. If you do want to contain all of the available fields, like the first name, last name, state, city, location, all of that stuff, then you do want to use our import option, and usually you just export your list from Aweber or GetResponse or whatever other autoresponder you use, and that file that you get from them will contain all of those fields like first name, last name, location, email, all of that. And as long as that file is properly labeled, then you can just choose it here, and Sendeo will pick up not only the email but all those additional extra fields as well. And you could also manually add fields here at the bottom as well. All right, but if you import from a file, then that file will come with all of those fields, and Sendeo will be able to not only import the email but all of those additional fields. And then here's where you select that unsubscribe footer. Okay, and in the tutorials tab, we also show you how to create your unsubscribe footer as well here on the left hand side, because obviously you do want to give your subscribers the ability to unsubscribe from your emails if they choose to do so. There's no way around that. Okay, you can receive subscription notifications if you want to, either by email or by SMS. And you obviously have to certify that you do have permission to email this list that you are importing, because although Sendeo is affiliate marketing friendly and marketer friendly, we are not spam friendly. So if you're thinking that you can come in here, purchase Sendeo and start spamming a list that you have no permission to be emailing, then please do not do that, because we will find you, we will shut it down. Okay, we have a bunch of automation built into the background to detect that kind of stuff. Okay, so now we just hit create, and this list has now been created. All right, there you go. Your new list has been created. From here, you can either go directly to send them a broadcast or set up a sequence, whatever it is that you want to do. So let me go ahead and come here to the My Broadcast tab and show you how quickly it is to come in here and set up a new broadcast. Now, right now, I do have an ongoing promotion going that it started a couple days ago that you can see. This one was just sent 3 hours ago. So let's say that I want to set up a campaign for tomorrow. Then I can go ahead and duplicate this tab. Okay, and while that campaign is duplicating, let me just quickly show you a quick case study of what's going on with that campaign. Okay, you can see here in the last 7 days, there's been over $1,100 in profit that I've made in affiliate commissions, and specifically the one that started a couple of days ago is already made me $721. Okay, and there was one that I did wrap up just before that. If I come back here and let me show you, I believe the one before that was the R&R promotion. All right, yeah, you can see this one was 6 days ago. The other emails might have a different name, but this was the last email that I sent 6 days ago, and that promotion actually ended up with over 15,000 in sales and just under 6,000 in commissions of that coming to me. Okay. So as you can see, I do use Sendeo in my own business to profit. This is the only autoresponder that I use. So let me go back and show you how quick it is to come in here and get a campaign set up. All right, so this is the one that was just duplicated. And usually the way that I do it is I name the campaign whatever the promo is that I'm running. So this would be the third email that I'm sending. And here you can see what I've done with this promotion. So everything's been duplicated from the email I sent earlier this morning. I selected the tags that I want to send to, and I excluded specific lists. So we do have options for you to be able to either email the new list that you created or email based on tags. Nowadays, I'm emailing more tags than I am lists, because what I do personally is down here you can see that anytime I'm sending a campaign, I'm tagging those subscribers. So I want to know who's opening my emails, who's clicking on the links, and based on that, over time, I am tending to be emailing more people who have been tagged, because these are people that I know are opening my emails, who are engaging with my emails. So that helps to keep my sending reputation high and my open rates high as well, because these people are proving to continue to want to hear from me. Okay, and if you did want to just change it to a list, you just go there and it changes it to the list, and you can select the new 3.0 demo list that we just created. Okay, and down here is where you can actually edit the copy of this email. And as you saw in the overview video, we do have our AI email content generator in there, so I did show how that works in the overview video. Same with the subject generator. Okay, and then from here we do have the ad blocks feature, which I'll be talking to you about here shortly. But this allows you to pretty much create more profit from your emails by promoting other products in the PS area. Okay, so even though I'm promoting this product specifically, when it gets sent, it also goes attached with this ad block, which is promoting my studio software. Okay, and then down here I can either run it immediately, or this one is going to be sent tomorrow. I'm going to actually just save that as a draft so that I can actually edit it properly. But here we also have our booster feature, which is part of our upgrade number 2, which allows you to have Sendeo automatically send to the people who don't open this initial email, send them a follow-up email automatically. And every other autoresponder out there makes you do this manually. However, we've built in automation to have this happen automatically. Okay, so I can have it send after 8 hours, or you can also send multiple. Okay, and now you can not only change the subject line of the follow-up email, but you can also change the subject line of the second follow-up email. Okay, because for whatever reason, either the subject line didn't catch their attention or they're in a different time zone. So the morning email that you sent on your time zone wasn't, on their time zone. Maybe they were asleep. So a follow-up email 8 hours later will catch their attention, or maybe the subject line will catch their attention, whatever it may be. If they, you could also alter the email. This happens automatically, and this is a part of our 3.0 feature here as well, where you can enable auto translation. All right, so we have a bunch, pretty much every language in here built in, so that if you did want to auto translate, you can. Okay, and that's it. From this, once all of this is set up, you just hit save draft and you're good to go. Okay, now that broadcast has been sent. So there, within a few minutes, I was able to not only import a new list, but also set up a new campaign. All right, and from there, we also have our sequences feature, which works pretty much the same, just that you're setting up multiple emails in a sequence and you're setting the schedule and all of that. But pretty much overall, creating the actual sequence is exactly like that. The editor is exactly the same as I just showed you there. We also have our email URLs feature, which allows you to quickly swap out any email that you should swap out any link that you have included in your emails. So if for some reason that email that I just set up, if I made a typo in it for some reason, the link that I included, then I can quickly come in here and change that so that none of my traffic is clicking on a broken link. And I'm sure you've seen it multiple times where you get an email from a marketer saying that they fixed the link or that the link was broken or not, all that stuff. With Sendio, we are the first autoresponder to build this into our platform, where if you do make a mistake in the link that you are sending, you can, within minutes or within seconds, change that so that you don't have to be sending that link fixed email that so many marketers send all the time because they make a typo in the link. You can just come in here, go to my email URLs, boom, click one button, change it out, and now every link, if you did make a typo, gets fixed right away. All right, and then here's our ad blocks feature. Okay, so let me just quickly show you what this looks like. You can see here, if I click that, it's pretty much a PSS that I add. This is what mine looks like, but you can literally make this look however you want, because if I click add new ad block, you'll see that it is a what you see is what you get editor. So you can add an image here, you can add a GIF, you can add just plain text, and make it look however you want. You can add a combo of an image and text, however you want. You can add multiple offers here as well, just to further monetize your campaigns. Okay, and if I come back here, we also have built-in stats on these, and I've made so much money just from these ad blocks. 351 additional clicks to this offer. Okay, and I know this is a proven offer. I've generated over 10,000 in sales for the Scribble offer alone. Okay, same with this one here, the SR13. Okay, I send this one out constantly. Look, 378 clicks, and this goes to a free trial that rebuilds after 7 days. An incredibly high converting offer. Okay, 378, at least I would say 40% of those signed up for that free trial, and I would say about 30 to 40% based on previous stats rebuild to the paid option. Okay, so another powerful option there. But that is pretty much our email features. We have a ton of other options here as well, but I wanted to just show you the more important parts where you can come in here, get your list imported right away, start sending to that list right away, and start monetizing to that list in multiple different ways as well. So that's how our email features works.